how's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Griddy.ai demo, and this is Griddy right here. It is a plugin for Microsoft Excel, and it is an AI agent. So what that means is that it's kind of like a robot that lives in software, and you can just use your words to prompt it, and then it'll actually go ahead and automate tasks for you. So it's kind of like delegating what you need done to an assistant. And what we're going to do here is I have this sales data dump where you can see there's 1,000 rows in this sheet and the data is incredibly messy. So instead of going ahead and manually cleaning it myself, which might take 3, 4, 5 hours, I'm just going to go to Griddy and I'm going to say clean this messy data. And then you're going to notice it's going to go ahead and generate a response. And so first it's going to read the data, and if you hit on this, it's going to show you where it is finding that data, where it's reading it. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and apply changes to this data set. It's going to give you a couple of options here, so you can either just accept the edit that it gives you, do auto to accept all edits, or reject them. I'm just going to hit auto for the sake of this demo. All right, then you're going to notice that it is filling in the blank quantities with 0 and unknown statues to prepare for total recalculation. And as you'll see, it's going to go ahead and manipulate this data set. Okay, awesome. And Griddy will go ahead and tell you everything it's doing step by step. So it went ahead and renumbered the sales IDs sequentially so that they're in line. And then it says down here that the sales data has been cleaned, and it'll tell you what it did. So it said it trimmed extra space, standardized region name to title case, filled missing quantities with 0 statues, blah, 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 blah. So now we have a beautiful clean data set. It's great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a pivot table. I'm going to say create a summary pivot to show total revenue by region and sales rep. As you can see, Griddy went ahead and created a pivot table in this summary sheet. Perfect. You'll notice that sometimes it does make errors, but then it'll acknowledge that and then it'll kind of loop through to be able to fix it. So it ran into an error with the pivot table, so it actually went ahead and deleted it, and now it's retrying again. Perfect. All right, so it went ahead and created this summary table, and it used this, I guess, as confirmation. And then it also went ahead and created this bar chart of revenue by region and sales rep. If you want, feel free to check out Griddy at the link in our bio and let me know what else you guys would want to see next.